Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can convert your videos into an audio in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to right click, extract audio, and delete this. You don't actually have to, but it's more simple this way. And when you hit export and once you've done editing your audio, maybe it's too small, like the volume, you're just going to select export here. And then you're going to untick video exporting and you're only going to select export audio only. You're going to select the format they have for MP3, WAV, AAC, and FLAC, which I don't know what the rest are. But I'm just going to select the MP3, which is the usual format. Then I'm going to select export. And as you can see now, it is an MP3 file. That is it. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.